Hello, my name is Pranav Patki and my teammates are Raj Rathod and Devyam Patni. My roll number is 1911038. So basically, we have chosen the project KYC blockchain. Uh, Basically, we are verifying a user over here, which is entered into a bank's account. So the user's information will be stored on the blockchain, on Ethereum blockchain. So for that, we will be first of all using Ganache. So basically, Ganache is a personal blockchain for rapid Ethereum and Corda distributed application development. We can use Ganache across entire the development cycle, which enables us to develop, deploy, and test our decentralized apps in a safe and deterministic environment. So also it helps in generating the ethers that we will be using for our transactions. We could have also used faucets for this purpose, but it is a slow process, so that's why Ganesh GUI helps us in a faster payment of ethers. So as you can see, this is our Ganesh GUI, and this is our RPC server address 7545. We will be using the first account, this one, uh, for this project. So let me just show my project. This is how our project looks. This is the smart contract for our KYC blockchain. First of all, we need to reset our truffle. So I'll just add truffle migrate reset. Basically, it refreshes everything, all the users, all the banks that have been stored in our system. So that's why we use the command truffle migrate reset. As you can see on the left command line that it is now reset, and we can view the client in our browser on localhost 3000. So let's just go to our browser. So this is what the basic UI of our application looks like for our KYC verification app. We have the MetaMask open over here with the account that we will be using. As you can see, it ends in the E9 address. The same address is reflected over here. The currency, the ethers for this account will be fetched from this account in our Ganache GUI. As and when we proceed, I'll show how much balance is left here because we have to pay gas fees for every request that we pull in the app. So yes, this is how the backend will work. Now the explanation of the app will be given by Raj.
Uh, Good evening, everyone. So here I would be explaining the adding new organization and new customer in the application as a feature. So let's start with adding a new organization. So basically here we are providing an input to the organization by adding an name of the organization and basically submitting that name for creating basically a bank. So once that like said submitted, like we will like gets a request and like the organization would be created based on that. So as you can see over the screen, like the estimated like the gas used for that has been shown and how much that like included in the transaction. So after confirming, uh, you can see that we have a, like a verified bank entity, and accordingly new customers can add their create their accounts and verify their account with submitting the appropriate documents in this organization. So now let's take a look at this how we are doing. So here we will be having new customers, so we would be adding the name, Aadhaar card, and PAN numbers, and also providing the appropriate organization address in which they are trying to create their account and basically create the customer in an organization by submitting the details. Yeah, so like here by clicking on creating the customer, the gas like the gas usage would be shown in terms of ethers, and by confirming the request would be sent to the organization, and accordingly, like the organization will verify and add the customer to the organization. The other features is gonna be explained by Divyam, like how the existing customers are can update their data as well as in the new organization as well. So to you, Divyam.
Hello, my name is Divyam Patni, roll number 1911035. So I'll be explaining the two features, view organization internal access and existing customer. So with view organization internal access, we'll be verifying the customer which we have added. So by entering the request address and the Aadhaar and PAN card of our customer, we'll be verifying it. So here we'll be entering the request address and all our customer data, which is the Aadhaar card and PAN card. So as we can see the status which is showing it as a success. So our customer was successfully being added. After this, the second feature is about existing customer, through which we can change our data if any existing customer would like to. So we have to enter the name, Aadhaar card and PAN card of the customer who have to edit his information. So we enter the new Aadhaar card and with the new PAN card and even the new organization to verify. So here we can see the estimated gas fees which is being shown, and with confirm the data will be edited. So here we can see the confirmation that the data has been changed. So this was the total functionality of our app. Thank you.